Have you ever wondered how Netflix streams your movie and loads the next scene behind the scenes? Or how Instagram streams your reels, loads your feed and still accepts likes and comments, all those things? It's not magic. It has a very important concept called as concurrency and multi-threading behind it. It's a very important concept behind high-performing applications that we use daily. And here is the shocking part. Most of the engineers today don't realize how important it is and how it can help their careers to grow exponentially. So let's break it down today and understand the importance of this. Let's decode what makes it so powerful. And future engineers, why do they need it? Let's start simple. Concurrency means handling multiple tasks at a time. Like imagine you writing a code, listening to music while your system downloads a file in the background. It's not about doing multiple things at once. It's like managing multiple things efficiently. Now, what is multi-threading? Now, multi-threading is one of the ways to achieve this concurrency. Your program is broken down into simple parts called as threads. Now, these threads can run independently, performing simple tasks in parallel. Imagine a food delivery app like Swiggy or Zomato. There will be millions of users accessing these every day. A lot of requests to order their favorite foods, to search for their favorite restaurants, or in the background your delivery updates will be updated, notifications will be sent. So all this happening in parallel seamlessly. So here is what happens. So let's say there are lots of order requests coming, there are lots of search requests coming. So what happens is, this order request can be sent to one of the servers, or a microservice we call it. This search request can be sent to one more microservice, and this notifications can be sent to one more service. So you see these requests are getting processed in parallel. So one way we can achieve this concurrency here, and each of this microservice can use threads to process these set of requests concurrently. So each thread can take up a request and process it. So you see, none of the requests are waiting for other. So all of these things happening in parallel will provide a seamless experience to the user. So big companies like Amazon, Google develop this seamless applications using this concurrency and multi-threading concepts. Now, this is where it gets interesting for you. The DSA learner. So when you are trying to solve DSA questions, you're trying to solve problems, the given problem statement, you're trying to write code, the efficient code, an optimized code. Now think about this. The data structures like queues, trees, sorting algorithms, all these are used under the hood to achieve this concurrency and multi-threading. Queues or priority queues are used in scheduling these processes. Hash maps are used to store the states of these processes. Even problems like deadlock, thread synchronization, producer-customer problem, these are not just OS concepts. These are directly related to this concurrency and multi-threading, which is solving real-world problems. From chat apps that update messages instantly, to the stock market applications that processes thousands of transactions in a second, everything runs so smoothly based upon this concurrency and multi-threading. And recruiters at the top companies loves the candidates who can connect these dots, because it's not just about coding. It's thinking like a problem solver that gets you your dream jobs with high paying packages. So here is your takeaway. By mastering concurrency, you will learn how to design systems that scale in real world, which are optimized, which will help the user with a seamless experience. These are the skills that directly translate to strong interviews, better jobs, and ability to craft real-world systems that can handle load very much better. So this will directly elevate your career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the smartest ways to upskill.